KLD Ventures kabapenya ya kemis Universe Meghalaya arajar arpunreo bat ya kemis Din Meghalaya arajar arpunreo kalapen itu ya kinong job ha kene ke jingiakop thei bhabriew ha kite ki artli ki jingiakop bat kene kinong job kin khmat ya kame ya ke jylla Meghalaya ha ke jingiakop thei bhabriew hari India uba prian walang bedeu state pigeon coordinator ha bakran ha kilat pathai khubor ha Shillong Press Club ha khat sautrik jemang arajar arpunreo oleh to ba ke samla sanwaka surang ke job ya kemis Meghalaya arajar arpunreo kan khmat ya ke jylla Meghalaya ha ke jingiakop Miss Universe India arajar arpunreo bat ke Miss Din Meghalaya arajar arpunreo ke samla odarika kamarwar kan khmat ya ke jylla Meghalaya sha ke Miss Din India arajar arpunreo uba priar ulai tho ba kini kin selej hikai pentibet shushu shabar ke jylla ha kinong hikai ki bakham tibet namar kini ke jingiakop thei bhabriew ha keri India kan selong ha pedang ubenai jeliau nai tong bat nai lar na kaliang jong kinong penyai na kini ke jylla kidan ke jingkermen skam bakin posya ketong watla ke jingiakop kan long ke bejuat uba brian ulai jing kublai ru ya ke doktor tanawi marak ke balawanra ya ke jylla Meghalaya syakin rensan ki bakham shlor oleh to baki jupha ya ki thei samla ki batibet syakini ke rensan jingiakop thei bhabriew bat ha kini ke kedi kabamenta ke tanwi kalawan baar ha kini ke jingiakop bat kani barok ke de namar ke jingtres tom jongka bat kalawanra nam ru ya ke jylla ha kini ke sina kaliang jong kinong job ke Miss Meghalaya bat ke Miss Din Meghalaya kilepen pau ke jeng sokmen jongki baki yo ya kini kalat ban khmat ya ke jylla bat kilepen so bakin trestom ban wanra ya ke jingjob bat ke burom ya ke jylla.
They haven't told us the real place where it's going to be held, but as far as I know, it's starting off in Jaipur, because Jaipur is going to have the Miss Teen competition first, and on the same day they're going to have the sashing ceremony for the Miss category, and I know from there they're going to move to Bangalore, because it's going to be a 1 month training period for them, so they don't take them to 4 different cities. So we know what's happening in Jaipur, then they're going to Bangalore, then most probably they're going to one city in another part of the south. But then for the finale they haven't yet decided, so we're waiting for news from them. Just have a very short period, because what we plan to do now is training both of them, since they're going to represent our state. And we want them to go there totally prepared. We don't want them to go there and think about anything else. So as much as we can from the organization, we're going to try to help them in any way we can, because once they step into the national platform, they're going to be representing Meghalaya, and we want it to be the best. We want them to be the best, so that they will bring not only glory to the state, but also glory to their families and to everyone else that of the state.
I actually had such a wonderful time. It was so transformative. I'm so thankful for the team. We had different experiences. We visited museums. We went to the journey. It was all so fun. It was also enlightening. Yes, so I'm really thankful for the team and for this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Similarly, I also agree to both my fellow contestants that we had an emotional roller coaster throughout this journey. It was physically, mentally, and psychologically demanding. But regardless, the organization pushed our own limits. They helped us grow, learn. They helped us, regardless of mistakes, we had the experience, the courage to grow from all the mistakes, all the journey, all the experiences we had through this session. It was so great to have members like Ms. Laila, Sir Brian and Sir Shravan in such an organization to push us to bring the very best version in each and every one of us.
I was 14 years old and I have not won the crown until I participated for Miss Teen Meghalaya 2026. I honestly see myself as a character that has developed from a 14 young to an 18-year-old today. And I'm honestly so grateful to the organization for pushing us to our potential, especially Sir, like Samla said, he is a father figure to every contestant. He was there to listen, to teach, and to guide us. And Ma'am Leila was like a mother figure to me. She had shown me how much potential you have and how much you can do and show to the other young generation that are looking up to us, because this crown comes with responsibility and with eyes looking at us, at how much we're doing and what we are capable of. And to Sir Shravan for being our eldest brother. Honestly, he's very nice and he has taught us that we have to be our true self to shine better on stage, and I'm so grateful to all the lessons I've learned so far, and also to my fellow contestants. You must know that this is not the end. There's always another journey, for you, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.